Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add video effects on Filmora using the Filmora application on your mobile device. So here's how you can do it. First of all, download and install Filmora application and launch it open from your app drawer. Now from the main home page of Filmora, go ahead and click on New Project. Select a video you would like to add effects to from your device's camera roll. After you select the video, click on Import at the bottom right corner. You will now be able to see the editing screen. Tap on the effect option from the bottom menu and select the available effects. You can browse through the available effects. Filmora offers a variety of effects such as filters, overlay, lens, audio effects, body effects, and much more. Choose from the category for the effect you would like to use onto your video. Now, tap on one of the effects to apply. Once you select the effect, tap on the tick mark at the top right, and on your editing screen, drag the edges of the effect to cover the parts of the video that you want this selected effects to be added to. After you are done, click on the export button at the top right corner and select one of the export settings and download the video onto your device or share the video directly to social media platform. So that is how you can add video effects to your video using Filmora application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.